question, who am I? Well, I confront it all the time. We're teaching people how to use their head. The point is that in order to use your head, you have to go out of your mind. You have to go out of all of the static, symbolic ways in which you think.
They've got the best equipment that money can buy. Hell, every team they're sending over here has their own personal masseuse. Not masseuse. But it doesn't matter. Do you know that every Mohawk competitor has an electrocardiogram, blood and urine tests every 48 hours to see if there's any change in his physical condition? Do you know that they use the most sophisticated training methods from the Soviet Union, East and West Germany, and the newest Olympic power, Trinidad and Tobago? But it doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. I tell you, it just doesn't matter. 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 Even if we play so far over our heads that our noses bleed for a week to 10 days, even if God in heaven above comes down and points his hand at our side of the field, even if every man, woman, and child held hands together and prayed for us to win, it just wouldn't matter.
Jumping out the Camino, slept the gas station, smell like hot Cheetos. A quarter softcore on a TiVo, Mata meatloaf. Free smoke, got a vegan bitch in the Peace Corps. All she ever do is ask me what I eat meat for. Hold up, pause, always over the quota. Boss, wake up in polo, sleep in Lacoste. Travel across the world, but that didn't faze me. Couple people that I know that happen to play me. Once they start to realize that I'm actually crazy, shit, I'm actually crazy. And Q's phone getting blown up by Leor Cone, Christian Dior, nothing, I'm on it.